Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my dear students. We'll continue with part 2 of lesson 5, unit 4, Global English 6. Last time we answered these questions about the text, which was about the Jurassic Park film. We'll continue today with some more activities. Number 7, word study. Look at the words in blue in the text and guess their meaning by looking at the other words around them. Choose the correct definition. We have some words here from number 1 to number 6, and you choose the correct definition from A or B. Number 1 is shade. Do you think the shade is a place with no sunlight or a place with lots of leaves? What do you think? Yes, you're right. It's a place with no sunlight. This is what we call shade. Number 2, emerged. Does it mean come out or go back? Emerged, appeared. Yes, it means come out. Come out. Number 3, hind. What do you think? The creature stood on its hind legs. So does it mean front or back? Back legs. Yes, it's back. Hind means back. Number 4, palm. It's a part of your hand or a part of your foot. What do you think? Yes, as we said, the palm is a part of your hand. Number 5, weight. How tall something is or how heavy something is. Yes, it's how heavy something is. So weight means heavy. How heavy something is. Finally, scrambled. It means move quickly or bite. Yes, move quickly. Scrambled means move quickly. Now, we have a pronunciation note. So how do we say these two letters or pronounce these two letters? Do we say th or the? We can say both, but it depends on the word. So sometimes we say it th and sometimes we say it the. The hard one is th and the soft one is the. Okay, listen and repeat these words from the text. In which word does th or the have a hard th and soft the sound? What is this one? Through. Through. It's a hard one. 2, breath. Breath. Again, th, the hard one. Number 3, the soft one. Number 4, thick. Thick. It's the hard one. Number 5, thought. Thought. You decide. Th. And number 6, then. Then. Let's read them again. Through. Breath. The. Thick. Thought. Then. Okay. We have some values for this story. So looking after yourself, how to take care of yourself, look after yourself, try to be careful in somehow situations, like if you see an unknown creature for the first time, just be careful, take care of yourself, looking after yourself. Discuss the questions with your partner. Do you think Tina was wise? Did she think properly? To go so close to the creature, why or why not? Imagine yourself in this situation. Would you approach this unknown creature, or you will be a bit wiser and think again, don't approach it, don't get so close to it because it may be dangerous. So I don't think she was wise enough. That was the first one. Number 2, how do you think she felt when the creature jumped on her? How could she have prevented this from happening again? How do you think she felt when the creature jumped on her? I think she felt scared. She didn't expect this. Okay, how could she have she have prevented this from happening? As I told you, she shouldn't have approached or get closer to this new creature or unknown creature. So she should have kept a distance between it and her. Number 3, give examples of how you can look after yourself when you are in a city or a place with a lot of people, in the countryside or another natural place with few people. I want you to think about an answer to this question. You need to give examples how you can look after yourself when you are in these two situations. If you are in a city or a place with a lot of people, I think it's safer than this one. In the countryside or another natural place with a few people, because the first one you will find a lot of people to protect you, to help you if you need help. But in this case, like what happened to Tina, she was in a distant place. She was even away from her parents. So for young people, they need to stay not very far from others, because if they need help, they will find the help. When you are in a place with lots of traffic, you should do what? Be careful, of course, because a lot of traffic means a lot of accidents. So be careful. If you are walking on your own, you shouldn't what? You shouldn't get very close to unknown things. So try to stay away for the people or the things that you don't know, okay? Now let's move to the workbook, pages 48 and 49. Complete the summary of the Jurassic Park film story with words from the box. We have the words controlled, science fiction, island, dinosaurs, escape, breaks, scientists, escape again, dinosaurs again. So some words are repeated. So you notice that you will use the word dinosaurs twice and the word escape twice. Let's try. Jurassic Park is a science fiction film. It's about a group of what? A group of who visit an inhabited by, let's think. A group of, can we say a group of scientists? Yes. A group of scientists who visit an inhabited by, who visited an island, right? An island inhabited by what? By dinosaurs, right? So we use three words now. Science fiction, of course, it was answered. The three words that I use: a group of scientists who visited an island inhabited by dinosaurs, correct. Before the scientists arrived, the dinosaurs lived in an area on the island, in a controlled area on the island, and they can't escape because the area is controlled. They can't escape. But then the security code, someone breaks the security code and the dinosaurs escape. Yes, so in the beginning the dinosaurs were controlled in a controlled area, but they could escape because someone broke or breaks the security code, so the dinosaurs escape. The scientists and other people on the island tried to, from the dinosaurs, tried to escape again from the dinosaurs. So this is the answer of the first exercise. Number 2, why is Jurassic Park famous in cinema history? Circle the correct answer. It starred lots of famous actors. It starred lots of famous actors. It made them stars. It showed computer-generated special effects that were new at that time. It is one of the most terrifying films ever made. What do you think? Yes, you're right. The right answer, as the book said, It's letter B. It showed computer-generated special effects that were new at that time. That was in 1993. Number 3. Read the extract again from the novel Jurassic Park by Michael Crichton. Put the pictures from the story in the correct order. We have 6 pictures here. This is number 1 of Tina. So what do you think number 2 is? She stayed in an isolated place at the edge of the water, so this can be number 2. Then, what happened? A lizard emerged from, yes, emerged. She appeared. This can be number 3. She looked at it, okay, from here. So this is number 4. And then she got closer and said, I'm sorry, I don't have anything for you to eat. This is what happened next. The creature jumped on her palm, yes, before the end of the text. So this can be the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Choose the correct answer. Tina and her parents are at the beach. Her parents are next to her or quite far from her? It's answered quite far from her. Number 2. Tina wants to be on her own or with her parents? Yes, in the beginning she wanted to be on her own. Number 3. Tina stays by the sea or moves under the palm trees? Stays by the sea or moves under the palm trees? What do you think? Moves under the palm trees. Number 4. In the sand she notices birds or bird footprints. Tracks, I mean, footprints of the birds. It's the bird tracks. It's letter B, bird footprints. Number 5. Next, she sees a lizard coming towards her or running away into the bushes. Of course, coming towards her. Number 6. The lizard is afraid or not afraid of Tina? As you read, yes, not afraid of Tina. Number 7. Tina thinks that the lizard wants to play or wants some food? Yes, she thought the lizard wants some food. Number 8. The lizard jumps onto Tina's hand. Number 9. The lizard is heavy. Finally, the writing part. Do you think that the creature was really a lizard? Why? Why not? Give at least 2 reasons to support your answer. And we have a strategy check. Guess meanings from the text. Tick the strategies which help you to guess meaning from the text. Use the strategy to help you with the sentences below. Read the strategies and tick the ones that will help you to understand the new words. Don't read the sentence, just the word, and try to guess it. Do you think this is correct? Without reading the sentence, I can guess the meaning of a word? No, I don't think so. So, no way. Read the whole sentence to get an idea of the word's meaning. Yes, fine, this is good. I need to read the whole sentence and try to guess the meaning. This is correct. Check the dictionary first. First thing, you go directly to the dictionary and check it? No. So the best one is here. Read the whole sentence to get an idea of the word's meaning. Like this, word study. Read the sentences from the story. Underline the words that help you understand the meaning of the words in bold. For example, number 1. Tina decided to move out of the sun, back from the water, to the shade of the palm trees. So, I want you to guess the meaning of this word, shade. Where can you get the meaning from? From other words in the sentence. For example, here we have move out of the sun. So, to find a place with no sun. under the palm trees. So this is the meaning of shade. Shade, of course, is a place away from the sunlight. So I can understand the meaning now of the word shade from the context, from the sentence itself. Let's try to do the same here to find the meaning of the word hind. What words, what keywords in the text or in the sentence shows you the meaning of the word hind or helps you to understand? The lizard stood on its hind legs, balancing on its thick tail. So if I see this part, balancing on its thick tail, the tail is right behind the back legs or the hind legs. So hind legs means the back legs, of course. So you can underline this, balancing on its thick tail. This shows you that these means, hind legs means the back legs. Number 3, the lizard jumped onto her hand. Tina could feel its little toes pinching the skin of her palm, and she felt the surprising weight of the animal's body pressing her arm down. So what do you think about the word palm? It's a part of what? You can see here the word hand. So it's a part of the hand. This is the palm. It's a part of the hand. So you can underline this word, hand. What about this word, weight? Weight, how heavy an animal is or how heavy a thing is. So what shows you the meaning? Pressing her arm down. So weight, pressing the arm down. So this shows the meaning of the word weight. You can underline this word or these words, pressing her arm down. And then the lizard scrambled up her arm toward her face. So scrambled, it means moved quickly up her arm towards her face. How do you understand? Up her arm toward her face. From these words, I understand that it means moved quickly up her arm toward her face. That was it. Thank you very much for watching. That was the end of lesson 5. Goodbye.